The report header is seen at the beginning of a report. It contains information such as the name of the testing facility, address, contact information, etc. To edit and modify this information, click on Edit, click on User Setup, and then on Report Setup. Click on the Header tab. The current file used for report header is shown in the box. Click on Define. The report header is shown in Microsoft Word. Edit the contents of the file as necessary. Save the file by clicking on the Save icon. Close Microsoft Word. Click on OK. The report header file is now updated. It will be used for subsequent patient studies. The previous patient reports are not affected.